Did you know that 90% of startups fail within 5 years? But what separates the successful 10%? A solid business plan. Every successful company, from Starbucks to Tesla, started with a plan. And today we'll break down exactly how you can create one that sets you up for success. First up, your executive summary. Think of this as your elevator pitch, clear, concise, and powerful. Who are you? What problem are you solving? Why should investors care? Next, market research. Who's your competition? What do your customers really want? Knowing this helps you position your business the right way. Third, financial projections. This is where you map out your expected revenue, costs, and profitability. Investors want numbers, not just ideas. Then, your marketing plan. How will you reach your audience? Social media, paid ads, word of mouth. Your strategy should be clear and actionable. Finally, execution strategy. What's your timeline? Milestones? A plan is only as good as your ability to execute it. A great business plan isn't just paperwork, it's your roadmap to making your dream a reality. Get started today.